Hello all. In this video lecture, we'll be discussing about vertex covering using approximation algorithm. Approximation algorithms are efficient algorithms that find approximate solution to optimization problems. They run in polynomial time and usually outputs a solution which is very close to the optimal solution. Now, there are several optimization problems such as minimum spanning tree, minimum cut, maximum matching, in all of which we can solve them exactly and efficiently in polynomial time. But there are many practical significant optimization problems which are NP hard. And in those problems, we are unlikely to find an algorithm that solves the problem exactly in polynomial time. So, say for example, standard NP-hard problems like traveling salesman problem, where we find a minimum cost store of all cities, and even this vertex cover, where we find maximum set of vertex that covers all the edges in the graph. Then we have set cover, where we find the smallest size cover set that covers every vertex. There is another problem, the shortest superstring, where given a set of string, we find the smallest subset of strings that contain specified words. Then we have the maximum click problem, where um, we try to determine a set of k distinct vertices, and then we try to test whether these vertices form a complete graph. There is no polynomial deterministic algorithm to solve this problem. So this problem is incomplete. So we have several such problems. Right? The vertex covering problem. So the scenario is of a graph which has v number of vertices and e number of edges. So the problem is to find a minimum subset. So this subset is C, which is contained in V. Now this C covers all the edges in E, and this is one of the best approximation algorithm known for vertex cover. So let us see with a diagram. So this is the algorithm for vertex cover using approximation. So first step is to initialize the set, which is an empty set now initially. Now you have to consider all the edges in the given graph. So this new set E contains all the edges. Now we have to uh, follow these two steps, 3A and 3B. So pick any edge from this set E and we keep adding it to the set. And we remove all the edges from E which are either incident on U or V. So we keep removing them, finally finalize the set. Consider this example. So this is a graph with no edge. There are only two vertices. So the minimum vertex cover is empty. This is the second example where you can see this is an undirected graph. You have four vertices 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now we have three edges connected to this vertex 3, right? So if I cover this vertex 3, then all the three edges are covered because all the three edges are connected to this vertex 3, right? So the minimum vertex cover is 3. Consider this example. So this is an undirected graph. You have five vertices 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 0 and 2 are connected, 2 and 4 are connected, 1 and 4 are connected, 3 and 4 are connected. Now you need the final set which has minimum number of vertices, and it should also connect all the edges possible, right? So in this diagram you can see that we have four edges, right? So which edge should we pick such that the number of vertices should be minimum and all the edges should be covered, right? So from this diagram you can see that if we pick 2 and 4, 2 will connect 0 2 edge, right, and 2 4 edge, and 4 will cover the remaining two edges 1 4 and 3 4. So 2 and 4 can be the minimum vertex cover, or you can also pick 0 and 4. That way all the edges are covered with minimum vertices. Consider this example where we have 6 vertices and 6 edges. So the 6 vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F, and the 6 edges are AB, BC, CF, CE, DE, and BD, right? Now we can choose any edge, right? So let us pick BC because it is lying in the middle, right? So after picking this edge, we can remove all the edges that might touch B and C. So that way we will be removing AB, BD, CE, and CF. Now you can see that this is the last edge which is left out, which is DE. So now that we have only two edges, from these two pair of edges, we can we can pick the minimum vertex cover, which is BCD or BCE. The vertex cover problem is a known NP-complete problem where there is no polynomial time solution for this unless P is equal to NP. Time complexity of this problem uh, is of the order of the number of vertices plus number of edges. Thank you.